Hello everyone, my name is Parsa Mahram, and today I'm so excited that I'm going to share with you an introduction about Python. I'm currently studying computer engineering in Ostim Technical University in Ankara, Turkey, and this introduction is based on the things I learned in DataCamp, the platform that it made it so easy for me that about mastering the Python coding. So let's talk about Python. What is Python itself? So Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its clear and readable syntax. And as you know, it's widely used in artificial intelligence, web developments, data analysis, and automation. So its simplicity makes it a great choice for beginners, while its powerful libraries and frameworks such as NumPy of using numerical computations and the Django for web developments and etc. So it's a large supportive community also means there are plenty of resources and tools available to help you learn and grow as a programmer. For the next part, we'll talk about the Python fundamentals. So, we have variables and data types, operators, and control of flow. So, if we want to talk about the variables and data types, in Python, variables are used to store data values. Python supports various data types such as integers for whole numbers, floats for decimal numbers, and strings for text, and boolean for true or false. Understanding these basic types helps us to generate so many computations, maybe so many programming codes, and etc. So if we want to move on to the operators, Python provides several operators for performing operations on variables, like arithmetic operators like plus, minus, divide, and etc. So with these symbols we can handle the what can we say, the mathematical calculations, while the operators like equal, not equal, bigger and smaller allows us to compare our values. So if you want to talk about the logical operators like and, or, and, nor, and not, helps us make it so easier to compare or for using logical codes. For the control of flow, we can use if-else statements. For example, you want to code something that if something is this, then do this. Or we can say if else, or if, elif, else. So in this case, that if you use a code, if it's not generated, it moves on to the next code and generates the last code. If the condition is true, it will generate the first. If it's not true, it will move on till the condition is true. So these fundamentals from the building blocks of Python programming are essential for writing effective and efficient codes. So if we move on to the next part, the basic Python coding concepts, the functions and lists and dictionaries. So functions in Python are blocks of codes designed to perform a specific task. They help in organizing code into reusable segments. For example, a function might process a list of movies' durations and return the average duration. For the lists and dictionaries are essential data structures in Python. Lists are used to store ordered collections of items, like a list of movies or movie titles, or the durations or genres, and etc. Dictionaries store key value pairs, such as mapping movie titles to their durations. Both structures are crucial for managing and manipulating data efficiency. And as I remember, we did a project about the Netflix movies. The duration of Netflix movies, and from the 1990s till the nowadays. Till this time, we generated the. Actually, we compared the durations of the movies that they used to make 1990s and the durations of the movies that are made in this maybe 2024, and we tried to show the histogram of the durations. So we tried to code and gathered some data from the Netflix itself, and we did this project actually with the DataCamp, with help of DataCamp. Thanks, I really thank the DataCamp, by the way, and it's a real-time project, so it means that the codes you learn and the time you spend on learning and trying to code, you can use it on real life, real time projects, and it is it made myself really enjoy coding and learning and exploring in Python coding. Actually, I really like to be a programmer in artificial intelligence. I really like it, and I know that one day I will do it, and it will be. I think it will be the best day of my life, actually. So, as I said, as a particular practical example, we used to gather data from Netflix and put them all together to generate a histogram of durations of movies that used to make on 1990s and nowadays. So, for conclusion, we have covered the core fundamentals of Pythons, including essential concepts such as variables, data types, and control flow. We also explored important coding concepts like functions, lists, dictionaries, which are vital for writing effective and organized codes. So I do highly recommend you all to use DataCamp for anyone who's looking for building and manufacturing a real strong foundation in Python, or advancing their code skills actually. Their well-structured courses and supportive community makes learning both effective and enjoyable. So thank you all for watching this introduction to Python. I hope you all enjoyed and found the information useful and engaging. If you enjoyed this presentation, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content on programming and data sciences. Feel free to ask any questions, leave any comments, and I'll try my best to answer all of them. And last but not least, a big thank to DataCamp for providing such an excellent learning platform that helped me to gain these skills. Thank you all.